Namaskara and welcome to Shree Greens. Today, we're talking about something very close to the heart nourishment for nursing mothers. Because when a mother thrives, her baby blossoms too. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but it also places extra nutritional demands on mothers. Energy, vitamins, minerals, all need to be replenished daily. And here's where microgreens step in as nature's tiny superheroes. Did you know microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts? For nursing mothers, this means iron and folate, supporting energy and reducing fatigue. Vitamin C and antioxidants boosting immunity for both mom and baby. Calcium and magnesium strengthening bones and aiding milk production. Omega-3s from flax or chia microgreens, supporting baby's brain development. And the best part? They're easy to grow at home. Just a tray, some seeds, and a little love. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or even add them to your chapati rolls for a colorful twist. In our Indian homes, food is more than nutrition, it's love, tradition, and care. By adding microgreens to your daily meals, you're weaving health into that love. A small handful can make a big difference in your breastfeeding journey. So, mothers, let microgreens be your gentle companions in this beautiful phase of life. At Shree Greens, we're here to guide you with DIY kits, workshops, and festive campaigns that make wellness joyful and accessible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. And remember, tiny greens, mighty benefits.